guys, it's Mary again from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and I'm coming today to talk with you about the magic of paint. So welcome to my channel, and I wanted to share with you some of the things I have done with paint in my home, because paint is a way that you can completely change your decor in such an inexpensive way. But it also allows you to find things maybe at a thrift store or at a regular store that you like, but it's just not the right color. And so paint is absolutely the solution. Let me give you a little example of what I've done with paint for that purpose. So right over here, I'm going to show a picture of a lantern that I found in Hobby Lobby. It was a lantern that I liked, the design of it, but I had been looking for a black lantern for quite some time, shopping at all the usual stores. But when I found this lantern over here that you see, I liked it, but it just didn't have the right look for my home. So I went ahead and bought it anyway with 50% off, of course. And then I brought it home and I painted it. I painted it black. And I just simply used a small, inexpensive brush that I got at Walmart. And then I also used this paint, black paint. I got a large container of it. It's acrylic and it can be used on metals because that lantern actually was a metal lantern, and this paint adhered to it just perfectly. It looks really wonderful. So I want to give you a quick look at how it turned out. So it's right over here. I'm just going to bring it into view for you to have a good look at it. And as you can see, I've actually been using it out on my porch with, let me turn it so you can see the front. It has a nice door, and I have my Luminara candle in there along with a pipberry little candle wreath on it. But I wanted to show you, you see how it has, let me set it down here, how it has this detail work on it. And to me, that made this lantern particularly interesting. So when I was painting it, it actually was quite easy to paint and avoid getting any of the black on the glass of the lantern. I just took a piece of copy paper and I cut it and I slipped it under this design here as I did each section of the lantern, and I painted it, and then I didn't have to worry about the paint getting on the glass. So that's just a quick little easy tip for when you're painting something with some detail work on it that you can use. A really great and easy way to take a lantern you don't love and turn it into something that is perfect for what you want for your home. Okay, so that's one example of the magic of paint. My second project for today is going to be painting this door that I bought. I got it at Kirkland's for, let's see, it was about $100 and it was marked down to $75. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I like the design, the ironwork on it, as well as the detail on the door a lot. And I'm going to use it out on my porch for decor. My front porch, actually. And my house is painted a rather dark color. Therefore, I will be painting this white. And I'm going to distress it some, but I thought you might like to come along and see how I go about this project. So here you can see I have my door on my kitchen island, and I'm using my trusty $5 shower curtain from Walmart as a drop cloth. Very convenient and easy to use. I have a gallon of white satin paint that I have used for quite a few projects and still have plenty left for more. And then I have a fairly good quality paintbrush that I'll be using with this painting job. So I'll speed through this. You can get a little taste of the painting job, and then we'll come back and show you the final project and how it looks. I think you will be pleased. Complete now, and I hope you enjoy this little demonstration of how easy it is to use paint and totally transform a project, something that you've purchased, or maybe something around your house that you just want to have a change to. Take a look. When I was doing this project, I actually lightly brushed on paint to give it that weathered look you can see here. So it's not a precise paint job. On purpose, I used sort of haphazard brush strokes, and you may have noticed a little bit in the video when I was painting. I also took a rag, a damp rag, and wiped away areas when I thought I had a little bit too much paint on them. So there's my final project. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration, and just be sure to use paint in the future in your home decor. It is like magic.